Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you how to take screenshot of any HTML element and export this as a PNG image or SVG image or JPG image. So this is actually the demo of the application. We have a React.js application and we have actually this section that we will take the screenshot. This is actually an HTML element and we have this button of take screenshot. So if I click this button, you will see, it will take the screenshot and now you can download this image. So if I download this image, you will see it has converted into a PNG image file, and you can see it has taken the screenshot and converted this to a PNG file. And we can even download this as a SVG image as well. So there is a method available in this library which is to SVG. So the name of this module is, if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this module, which is HTML2 image. So this is actually the command here, and it has got almost 360,000 weekly downloads. So I will show you how to use this step by step. So just create a functional component of React.js. So I will just create this shortcut, and here we need to import the actual library. So there is two methods out there, two PNG and two SVG, and it's all coming from this module which is HTML2 image. This is actually the module. You have two methods. If you want to export this to PNG or SVG, you can even export this to JPG as well. So here we will be declaring a state variable, a reference using the useref hook of React.js, and by default it will be null. So you'll be attaching it to a specific HTML element that you want to take the screenshot. And secondly, we need to declare a variable for getting the reference of the download link. So once we take the screenshot, we need to show the download link to the user so that they can download the image file. So this is that variable. Now coming back to the JSX, we will just write very basic. JSX will have a h2 heading. We will simply say capture HTML2 image example, and after this we will have basically a div section, and inside this div section we will basically give some properties, a style parameter to it, a background of white, and I will give it a width of 500 pixel and height of also 500 pixel. So if you refresh your browser, just go to, you will see you will have a div which will actually have a width and height of 500 pixel, and you'll basically be attaching this reference attribute to it. So we have this, we have declared this. You will see we are simply attaching it right here to this div element. So we need to take the screenshot of this div element. So here you can write any valid HTML. It can contain images or any valid HTML tag. So we'll have this h3 tag, and then we will simply have some paragraph. So let me also have a strong tag. So we have some valid HTML right here. So we need to take the screenshot of this. So what we will do, we will, after this we will actually have a button as well, just to, this is a sample button. And then after this div, we will actually have a button right here, which will say that take screenshot. And basically we'll bind a on click listener to this button. So when we click this button, we will execute this function which is handle capture. So now we need to define this function right here, which is handle capture. So it's a callback function which will execute whenever you click the button. So inside this function, just make this function as async. So now we just need to take the screenshot. So first of all, we will set the download link to nothing. We'll reset this, and then in this try catch block we will actually take the screenshot. If any sort of error take place, we can console log it, and then in the try catch block we will convert this HTML to a screenshot. So for taking the screenshot, we have this built-in method to PNG, and here we need to pass the HTML reference. So we have the current, we will pass the reference like this, and secondly it takes the quality of the screenshot, so I will set it to 1, and then it has converted this to a base 64 code. So the screenshot, now we can display this by setting the download link to the data URL that we are getting. So now we just need to show this data URL in the web page in the JSX. So right after this button, we'll have a condition that if the download link is available, in that case, we need to display the screenshot in the anchor tag. So in the href tag, we can display this by using download link. And then we will put a download attribute. So whenever you click the download button, screenshot.png file will get downloaded. Because it's a PNG file, so that's why screenshot.png. And then we can have a simple label, click here to download the screenshot. So now let me test it out here. If you click the button, it will take the screenshot and you will see the PNG file will get downloaded. So this is exactly the heading, the paragraph and the button, and you can even change it to SVG as well. So instead of this, we can use this function to SVG. So now it will be having screenshot.svg. So it's SVG file now. It opens in the browser. So SVG, scalable vector graphics. So it has all these methods available. We also have the to JPG as well, to canvas, to blob, pixel data. So you can export your canvas to any PNG, SVG, any sort of image file. This is a very handy library inside React.js HTML to image. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of free tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.